Guess who's back in the house? But I'm in the car though. It don't matter. I'm back. So I must have been talking near my phone, and then YouTube picked it up, and I came across this other YouTuber, Trinity Jae, and she was going through like viral TikTok Starbucks trends. And this is something I was thinking about, not from TikTok, but like I'm in a Starbucks group on Facebook. But she put together like a couple of little samplers. So we about to bust it on down to Starbucks and see what they hitting like. So I will check y'all in just a second and let you know how it goes. Okay guys, so I just ordered several of the drinks, and the green tea one, they're out of pistachio sauce for the season, so unfortunately I won't get to try it exactly the way that Trinity made it, but hopefully the pistachio sauce won't make a huge difference. We'll see how it goes. And let me just tell y'all, they made these drinks like for slop, you hear me? So this is the pistachio drink that Trinity Jae suggested. The matcha, the green tea of it all. Can y'all see? Let me back y'all up one time so y'all can see what's really going on. Woo, child. All right, but we gonna taste it. We gonna see what it's hitting like. Smelled it. Oh, it tastes like sweet outside for me. So I gotta give this one. Let me shake it up. It's a no. Oh, it's in my mouth, y'all. Sweet outside. That's what it says. A 3. 3 out of 5. Ooh-wee. This is the one I was really wanting to try. She called it the melanin drink. I want to say, Trinity, can we, Melanin Magic, right? Can we rename it? It's your drink, but I just want to know how you feel about it. This one, I know I'm gonna like. I love mocha, I love chocolate. This is gonna be bomb. Not concerned at all. Wish I had something to wash that grass out of my mouth, but we're just gonna move on. Europe. 5. She right. 5 out of 5. Her melanin drink, aka Melanin Magic. I hope you like that name, girl. I love it. 5. It's real good. Y'all should get this. I'll put the her recipe down in the little description for y'all. But okay. Now this next drink is the I had to look down at my little list, right? It's a lemonade with raspberry syrup and a strawberry base, but hers was looking much more delicious. So what I want to say is my Starbucks is slacking and lacking. So she shook it up because it was giving one thing before she shook it up, and then it was giving something else afterwards. So we about to see. This tastes stupid, but I'm not gonna blame the TikTok trend for this one. I'm gonna blame my Starbucks because they tried it. This don't taste. This, I mean, you see this non-melanated strawberry syrup, okay? Non-melanated. Where's the raspberry? Okay, where's the raspberry syrup? This just a strawberry base. It's upside down. They ain't hit me with no raspberry syrup. I bet that's what the problem is. So now that I'm thinking about this ain't about the TikTok trend at all. This is about them being some trifling Starbucks workers, right? I'm missing a pump or something. I ain't noticed it at first because this ain't something I normally drink, but now I'm irritated. So that's that. I ain't gonna even rate this one because this ain't on the trend. This is on Starbucks. So Starbucks in the city that I live in, you know who you are. 0. They get a 0. The Starbucks get a 0. Hold this to my helping hand to the side of me. Now, this here, y'all can't see what it is, but this is a grande hot white chocolate with coconut milk and a peach tranquility. Now, that's a tea bag. Okay, now she rated it again one way when she first had it, but then like later at the end of the day, she shook it up and she was like getting, the peach was coming through because it had time to like steep, right? So I drove all the way home, so I hope that's enough time for it to steep. Let me smell it. It don't smell like nothing special. But I do love the white chocolate mochas. This ain't that, but I mean, I'm hoping that's what it's giving with like a little peach razzle dazzleage. We'll see how it go though. It do taste peachy. This good. That's good. Look, it's somebody over there, but y'all don't worry about it. This tastes good. Okay, so 2 out of the 4 drinks I got were bomb. 1 tastes like outside. What's on my lip? 1 tastes like outside. And 1 is a Starbucks failure, not the recipe failure. What's on my lip, y'all? Nothing? Okay. Felt like it. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna have to edit that little bloop of time out. Trinity Jae, girl, you better make a good melanin drink. That was good. The pistachio, that's hit or miss. The matcha, that's hit or miss. If you like matcha green tea, then I feel like you probably would like that, but I am not a fan. When I taste matcha, it puts me in the mind of children playing outdoors, summertime Houston, hot heat sweat. That's what matcha tastes like when I have it. And it don't matter how I have it. If it's in a macaroon, if it's in a cake, like the one I made a while back, I'll put the link in the description and put a little card up here. The matcha green tea cake from Great British Bake Off. Woo! Grass tastes outsidey. I don't know what else to say. But this was fun. This was cute. And I absolutely am going to call my Starbucks and get all Karen about my syrup not being in there. Maybe I won't. I don't really know. But the fact is, I can't even really tell what the drink was supposed to be giving me because it wasn't giving me the right ingredients. You feel me? Anyhow, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Share our videos. Hype me up. I'm ready to, see what the end gonna be. I'm having a lot of fun though. So be sure to like the video. Be sure to comment. Do all the things, y'all. And I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.